Alright, ladies and gents, there's another video for Fat Stuff Fishing. Gonna get the old Colorado start up. We're gonna go over there and hook up the caravan, and we're gonna be heading back up to Marrinup Campsite or Townsite. We were there I think about 2 weeks ago, not 2 weeks ago, 2 months ago, sorry. I done that solo video. Hopefully we can get some more better drone footage. It's gonna be raining a little bit this weekend apparently, so I don't know what we're gonna specifically get. We'll see. Hopefully we can do the activities around Dwellingup because there's a lot of stuff around there to do. But yeah, this time I'll be there with a caravan instead of a rooftop tent. But we'll see you when we see you next. Alright, ladies and gents, been at my cousin's for a bit. We're just loading up all the caravans, getting all the trucks out, setting it all up. Same with the other caravan. They're just checking that things are not going to slide and everything, but they're all hooked up. Just about ready to go now. We're going to be going to Marrinup. I'd advise using Waze to, of course, find your way to the campsite, because Google Maps will take you down a track that's not exactly you want to go down. It's better to go into Dwellingup and then come out of Dwellingup, follow that road. I'm not sure what the road is called, I'll probably pop it up on the screen here, and then go on to Gray's Road and follow that into the campsite. Alright ladies and gents, we made it to the campsite. So we were camping over there last time. We're probably going to be camping here depending. We'll be waiting for my cousin, and we'll decide where we're going to be staying specifically. It's a nice lovely day. It's really nice and sunny. The breeze is absolutely beautiful. It's not too hot. Here's a Brax. It looks not too bad today, even though there is might be a mountain bike event on this weekend. I don't know, there was a lot of stuff down near the community centre. I don't know if that's specifically like on this weekend or if it was last weekend. It looks like they were just setting up, so it's probably this weekend. But a few people mountain bikes, so must be camping here. Alright ladies and gentlemen, we settled on a place. We're all on the setup. Yeah. Get lost again, didn't you?
Yeah. No, we just wanted to get some footage on the drone.
Oh, did you record it, did you?
Yeah. Seen you waving and that, fucking, you come right up to me and you're fucking doing these ones.
Well, I can't have that in the video, can I? Gotta be family friendly.
Nah.
Oh, that way. Go.
That's what the camp spot looks like. We were originally going to be over there, but they wanted to go here near the toilet. So the toilet's just over the top there. It's just over here. It's a drop dunny right there. That's not bad. This will hopefully be camp for tonight, and we'll see in the morning how the rain holds up. It's on the caravan and get the chairs out. So yeah, gonna go make some lunch, a bit late lunch, ham cheese toasties. Hopefully they turn out pretty well. I'm going to use my King's 12-volt sandwich press. We'll see how it goes. Nice cheese toasties being made. We got 2 in here. Looking alright so far. Just need a little cook. Put some more ham on it.
That looks good.
Yeah, it looks good. It's going to look yummy in my belly. Already made 2. I would advise not putting so much cheese. Yeah. Whoopsies. My girlfriend who done her one with tomato sauce as well. How do you like it?
Yeah, I'm sure it'll be good once I get a proper bite. Cheese is melted though.
That's good. That's mine. Meaning it. Getting the tubes on.
Oh, we'll see how it goes.
Where you got one on there? We're doing the other one currently. I made some just before in me little toasty maker and fuses because it was only a 20 amp fuse and not probably a 30. Well, it is what it is, eh? Let's see. Yeah, it's looking pretty right, eh? I think that's just about done.
I
Let's see. A lot quicker than my little toasty maker. Made 12-volt sandwich press. Takes a bit long with mine. And I see you burn fuses. Beautiful, beautiful. It's got SpaghettiOs, butter, cheese, and I don't know what else on it. Is that? Just that. SpaghettiOs, cheese, and ham.
Oh, I need a little bit longer.
Oh yeah. Not toasted yet. No, it's alright. It's just not toasted. Alright. Let's see.
Good?
Yeah. I think it's not that non-stick, eh?
Yeah.
It's ripping the lids off. Hey. But it is, it's all melted and everything. Just got to peel off the top. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, mine's good.
Beautiful, it's nice and caramelised.
Yes. Grab that knife, Brett. Oh, don't worry, dead juice on it.
That doesn't look too bad, does it now? I don't think it came pre-seasoned. Boy. Magpies are back from last time. Looks like they're having a look. Just chilling at the campsite for now. Got my caravan behind me. Brennan's there. Aaron's there. Just chilling for now. Look, he's found something. He's found some bread maybe from all the toasties. Yeah, I gotta put these batteries on charge. It's getting pretty flat, so I might go the put this battery on charge, just so we have some more for tomorrow charge. I got another 2 batteries, but yeah, I just want to make sure they're all charged. Yeah, hopefully they get some solar in the morning, because I need some solar, because I recently sold a new fridge, King's fridge freezer, and that's just draining a fair bit of power. But it should be alright anyway. Worst case scenario, I can always charge it up with the solar and everything. Worst case, I can always just run off the generator and charge it with the 40 amp DC. But yeah, looks like most people are just going in, just chilling. Gonna be cooking up dinner pretty soon. Both magpies are back now still. Yeah, that's probably most of that until lunch trees in the bush, eh? Anyway, Nisso's cutting up some cheese, cooking some sausages, my little exhaust fan and everything, not bad, running off 240. I don't know what I done. Oh, never mind, I found them. Just gonna make some sausages. They're looking almighty good right now. Can't wait until they're in my stomach. Cheese. Nice hot dogs. Should be pretty good. Gonna be a nice little roast. Gonna probably change this to 3 mils. 5 mils. A bit thick. Looks a bit strange because you know, it's thicker than what the factory was. Looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. Got some spare sausages to snack on later. Make some more hot dogs later. But yeah, I'm gonna probably vacuum seal them if we do, just to make them last for a bit longer anyway, if we don't eat it tonight. Be under there. Might be my vacuum seal, I'm not sure where I put it, so you have to look. I did charge it up before we left, so I don't know where I put it though. So I got my little range hood. Fan, light, pretty alright. We're cooking some sausages for the other people. Ashley and Aaron.
Yeah, Rankin
my little cutie boyfriend right there.
Rankin was in one of the, what's it called?
Just cooking sausages.
Boxes. He was up on his feet.
Cooking a whole packet of 24 of them.
Everyone was celebrating.
Got lots of people to feed. Give them a bit stuck, but that's alright. Here's the sausages, a little bit better with the light. All cooked, got the bread. Alright, just toasting the buns up. Yeah. Looking pretty alright now. I'll cook for a bit longer. Hot dog review. How was it?
10.
10 out of 10? I think it just gives everything 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
You're pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Alright, traditional camp cook up. Gotta have some scones. Got some there, got some in there. Ash is just getting some smoke in her face, so she's just getting temporarily blinded. That's looking pretty good so far. Alright, close the lids. Yep. Our GoPro's gonna smell like smoke. There we go. How are the scones?
Oh, they're good. They'll be better with cream, but that's tomorrow.
I got some cream for you. Oh yeah, jam on some scones with the butter. Oh the doggies! Oh the doggos! They're gonna go pee pee. Yeah, not bad, not bad. A little bit of jam. A little bit of burn on the bottom. Not bad though. Nice something quick, you know, make. You know, a little bit of filling. Not bad. Got the fire going. Diesel can rolling.
What are you talking about? Oh.
Myself. Clearly. I'm crazy. Whoa! For the most part, I think most of the night's finished. We had some scones on the fire. Got the fire just burning. We're going to leave that wood for breakfast tomorrow morning. Got little lights on. But yeah, that'll probably conclude tonight. Just doing some editing. The dog's just sleeping next to me. They're just chilling. But yeah, I'm just doing some editing, late night editing. Decided to try something, you know, like where we basically, the day that we record the content, of course, we'll actually just edit it. Because I've got a laptop, so I'll just use their laptop and edit all of it the night of, so at least, you know, when we get back there's not so much editing to do. Sometimes it gets a bit confusing with like the days, So if you're like editing like a week or two later, like the previous the video previously we uploaded, it was just confusing and some things got mixed up and everything. So hopefully this should simplify it a bit more. Just editing. The doggos are there. Just chilling in the caravan with the diesel heater on. Not too bad of a setup. I don't know, the bandicoot was just here. Yeah, he's still there, look. Just, look at him. Look how close I can get. Wow. Let's see if he's gonna... Ooh. Oh wow. He's really close. Look how close he is. Oh wow, look. He's right there. You think he'd bite me if I pat him? He's a silly bugger, he is. I'm gonna do a silly bugger thing. Now I'm gonna pat him. Hello. Hello. He didn't like that too much. So I'll leave the fella.
Batteries are on 49%.
Good morning.
Good morning. Batteries are on 49%.
Oh really? What were you running?
Starlink running.
Oh night.
Oh, yes, afternoon, all night, all morning. I just turned it off then.
Oh. What's going on here? Oh. Then Mama just putting it up. Just so you can see out of here, little doggos are on the bed. Looking, they're all happy. They're looking at me like I'm crazy, but just gonna have some breakfast. Definitely rained last night. Early morning rain. Apparently we're gonna have a break in the rain for a while. It's gonna be raining a little bit, but not too much. Hopefully we can get some stuff done. At Colorado over there. Probably gonna maybe go into national parks. There's a fair few things around here to do, so maybe during the day we'll go have a look at going to town, do a few things. But yeah, how'd you sleep last night?
Perfect.
Yeah, there's the baby. Baby's just being chilling. Yeah, but hopefully, yeah,
Wow.
there's a fair few things around here, so we'll probably check it all out and everything. I think, yeah, as I said, they want to go to the national park, so maybe go to national park. But for now, I'll have breakfast and then lock everything up, and then we'll head off. Just having some simple breakfast, just some cereal. So maybe not bacon and eggs, like always, because Missa doesn't like eggs too much. So we'll just have some Wheaties, and then we're gonna probably head out. All right, ladies and gents, we're just warming up the cars now. Got the patrol over there, got the collie just running to warm up a bit. We're gonna be probably going to the P.O.W. camp first. I'll confirm anyway. But yeah, anyway, we're just probably gonna have a look at a few things around here, pop into town, do a few things, record, try and get some drone footage today. It all depends on really our luckiness, you know, in terms of how the weather's going to hold up, but hopefully it holds up for a while and we can get some good footage. Alright, ladies and gents. We got into the national park for free. I think that's due to the mountain bike event that's on today. But yeah, it's not bad. We just got some video clips of us driving through. So lots of stuff to do here. I mean, for free, it's not bad, eh? You know, I'm not sure what the fees are. I might put them up on the screen here. The fees for the entry for just the day. But I know you can do camping here. But yeah, we just drove across just over there. I don't know if you can see it.
Go down there.
Drove over the little bridge thing. But yeah, no, it says a little truck here apparently. You can walk down to the little water bridge thing. Getting some drone footage hopefully. Professional pilot right here.
Yeah.
Smoking's part of the job.
It is. I want smoko.
Bob's crossing. You can swim, you can canoe, you can't camp, or you can't have a fire. Hell yeah. And we're walking down this asphalt road. Hopefully the pilot doesn't crash into a tree this time. Every single time he's had it out, he's crashed it, so. How you feeling? You gonna crash it?
Oh, not gonna jinx myself, but hey, you never know what happens. Shit happens when you party naked, guys.
Alright. This is the Bob's crossing. You drive across it with your car. Doesn't look too bad. Gonna have to change out this battery pretty soon. It's on about 20%. I charged all the other ones up last night, as I said. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Get some recording of the river. It's not bad. Not a bad area, honestly. For free, you can't really complain. I mean, yeah, as I said, like, you know, you'd have to usually pay to come here, but yeah. Whirlpool risk area because it sucks it under. See, whirlpool right there. So whirlpool is the suction going down there and through to the other end right there. So that's the entry and then that's the exit. Yeah, it's flowing pretty well. Alright, we're walking back from Bob's Crossing. We're going to go have a look at a few more spots around the national park. But yeah, there's Murray Valley Trail. There's a few places. We'll just see what we end up finding and what we have a look at, eh? Done some drone footage.
Yeah.
No
incidents this time.
Yeah. Yet. Just come back to let doggies out. Come on. Come on. Go toilet. Go toilet.
Go toilet, Casper.
Good boy. Good girl. But yeah, just got back to campsite. Just gonna have some lunch now. I'm gonna be having chicken sandwiches. I don't know what they're gonna have. Salami and cheese or something. What are you
Cheese
gonna have?
platter.
Cheese platter?
Yeah, cheese, salami, crackers, whatever. Anything goes.
Oh, well, that's alright. It's not bad. They were going to get hot chooks, but the place down Dwellingup, they don't cook them like on demand. They only cook one batch and that's all. It just started raining, so it was a good time we decided to come home. Not home, but to back to camp. Just chilling for now. I'm going to start making some sandwiches. Make some chicken sandwiches and everything. I'll start prepping everything. Got my lunch all there. Missus is going to make it up. And then they're having a nice platter.
Bit of tomato and I'll give it a try.
No swearing.
Hey.
Not bad. Ain't this good when you're hungry, eh? Looks pretty good, all dip and everything. Gonna probably edit this tonight. A lot of the clips today. It's gonna take a while because there's a lot of.
No swearing.
There's a lot of clips.
Mishaps.
Yeah, a lot of clips and everything. Yeah.
Mishap.
Might have crashed the drone a bit, but that's alright.
Yeah.
It's not my drone. I don't care.
Yeah, well, it's the wind. The wind carried it.
My baby's not there. Never mind. Alright, I'm gonna make my food now. Chucking the old YouTube on now. Turning the old TV on. Dogs are just chilling. They just got a treat just before. Might make them do some tricks for some treats. See, she reacted.
There and get treats for free.
Getting the chicken on there. Gonna put some salad on there. Got some salad going on. Put some good old mayo on it. Generator's running out of generator. This will pop out. Just been chilling in the caravan, eh?
Huh?
Been chilling in the caravan, eh?
Yeah.
Too rainy really to do anything. Absolute soaked ground. It's about, let me check. It's about 5:47. About 7 o'clock I said it should stop raining for most of the night. Looks like the sun's starting to go down. Probably get the fire up and running. We got some dry wood in the back of the collie. Bought it at the general store there, so we can cook the food up because I ran out of gas. But yeah, probably cook up dinner pretty soon. Not really much we can do because it's just raining, so I think it's just mostly a chill night tonight. Get up tomorrow, pack up and head home. But yeah, called when we're cooking dinner.
Yep.
My favourite drink, Pepsi Max. Good for fighting fire.
Pepsi Max. Going on the fire, folks. I think he lied. That was pointless.
Was it?
Yes. Yes. What did it do? Nada.
Ready? Saturating the ground. That's what it's doing.
Yeah.
Didn't work as well as I thought it
That,
was.
folks, was supposed to be diesel, but it didn't work as well as we thought because it's not petrol, so it's not as flammable.
Ah well.
But it's slow combustible. Yep.
I'm going to be putting some salad on mine. I don't know if you can see that. Nice tomato saucy. She's got a double one, I got a single one. But yeah, we didn't record them because we meant to do a camp cook up. But raining too much, unfortunately, so yeah, not really, it is what it is, unfortunately, but yeah, we're probably just going to be chilling for most of the night. It's pretty well getting late. Gonna have some food, probably start editing this video. Yeah, the dogs are just chilling here. Just went out to go toilet. And putting this on my sandwich burger once it's finished. Yeah, we'll eat and we'll just chill for the rest of the night, I think. Mostly just chill. Got a lot of content today from the nature reserve anyway, so I'm pretty happy. Gonna get a good amount of good content, you know, good decent long video for this video, which I'm happy about. Alright, putting the lids on my burger. It's gonna be a bit confusing, but yeah, easy enough. All the burgers are done. Gonna watch some YouTube and just chill with the doggos. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, buddy. Oh, big sniff, big sniffy snuff. Who's a little sniffer snaffer? Who's a little sniffer snaffer? Stinky. Huh? What are you doing, my stinky little girl? They're going crazy now. They're going crazy. Crazy. Alright, it's the morning, Sunday morning. Just got great news. I don't have to go to Hopetown, so I'm happy. I get to do night shift tonight. But there's like a little campsite. Been pissing down the rain. Apparently it hailed. Brandon's got a little bit of a tree on his, or branch on his thing. I got some too. But mine's also dented because a tree branch fell on it from the previous owner. But yeah, we're just gonna start packing up before all the rain comes because it's gonna start pissing down with rain apparently. And it's not gonna stop till about 1-2 o'clock, so we don't really want to be around here that late. And especially considering I got night shifts, so I probably want to take a nap before that. But yeah, we're gonna start packing up. Probably have breakfast at home anyway, but for the most part, it was a nice campsite. It wasn't too bad with all the rain. I mean, it's alright with a caravan, but if you had to swag, it'd be shit. Or if you're on a rooftop tent like that, it'd be shit too. But you know, it is what it is. Plenty of campsites, fair few people here. Over the weekend, there was a mountain bike event on. Look, there's a bird. The honeysuckle. See how close I can get to the honeysuckle. He didn't like me. I moved too much. there was a mountain bike event on, so during the week, weekend, sorry, there was also some running marathon thing, I think, on. But yeah, we're just chilling for now. I mean, I ran off the 200 amp hour for the whole weekend. I mean, I wasn't being sparingly with the power anyway, so I'm pretty happy with that. Brendan ran off his 100 amp hour. Aaron's had his 300. He's had his generator on and everything, but he's running Starlink and everything. How'd you rate the weekend?
I'm on 53% on the batteries.
Oh,
from overnight. That's not bad.
Yeah.
Well, that was a good weekend.
Bit dirty.
Oh yeah, that's the kids, eh?
Yeah, they don't wipe their feet.
Yeah. I only had to run the diesel heater for about 10 minutes last night.
I left on for a while, but then I was boiling.
Yeah, I turned it off.
I had to turn it off. I put my little fan unit, those handles.
It's not bad.
Those handles above my bed. I just put the fan on there and blew it straight down onto it.
Pretty good weekend overall.
Yeah, we got a lot done. I mean, the rain held off for us for a bit, so it was good.
Now it's time to wake Brendan up, I reckon.
Yeah. Alright, the site is getting packed up now. Just gotta pack up my awning, put down the pop top. Just finish pack up there, send them, the awning in, put the pop top down. We'll be heading off. Just getting that on so then I can start hitching mine on. I'm gonna start pulling my roof down. Brendan and Nikki are starting to pack up now. But yeah, anyway, gotta clean that up. Gonna take all that stuff out of the fire. And then yeah, head off, go camping. Nah, I wish. But yeah, a few other people staying here. I'd love to stay here another night, but fortunately I'm on night shift now, so I've gotta go home and work. I would have stayed for an extra night, eh? Everyone's all packed up. Cleaned up. The rubbish bed in there. That's all there. That's all there.